In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin to Facebook Business Manager step by step. Adding an admin allows a trusted person to manage your business settings, pages, ad accounts, and other business assets. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with an account that already has admin access. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click People, then click the Add button. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite and click Next. Choose Admin Access or Enable Full Control, depending on your account version. After that, select the Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels, and other business assets you want the new admin to manage. Review the assigned permissions, then click Invite. The person will receive an invitation by email and must accept it before admin access becomes active. Once the invitation is accepted, they'll be able to manage your business manager according to the permissions you've granted. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.